Everyone, this is Ankita Mallick here, back again with another makeup tutorial. To know how I created this makeup look, please continue watching. I have already applied the foundation. Next, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 and applying it on my eyelid to cover up those darkness, and blending all of it using a damp beauty sponge. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I am setting my eyelid to avoid the concealer settle in the creases. Next, I am taking the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and picking up this shade and blending it on my crease line. Next, I am taking this shade and applying it all over my eyelid and blending it out properly. Next, I am picking up this darker shade and applying it just around the outer corner and blending it out properly so that this looks well diffused with the other shades. Now, in the inner corners of my eyes, I applied little bit of the Miss Claire concealer so that this shade will get that perfect base to give me the pop of color eye look. Next, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again and applying it on my under eyes. And also on my T-zone area to highlight them a little bit. And I'm using my damp beauty sponge and blending all of that well into my skin. Using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and setting all those areas where I have applied the concealer. Taking this darker shade again, I am applying it on my lower lash line. Next, I am taking the Maybelline New York the Colossal Kajal and applying it on my waterline. I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara for my lower lashes. And the Maybelline New York the Colossal Waterproof Mascara for my upper lashes. Using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer to contour my face a little bit. For the blush, I am using the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in the shade Peaches and Cream and applying it on my cheekbone. For the highlighter, I am taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and applying it on all the high points of my face. Next, I applied the Nykaa falsies. And now for the lips, I am taking the Beige Shakti Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fab Freestyle and applying it on my lips. Taking the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, I am applying it just on the center of my lips and blending it with my finger. And this is the final result. I really hope you loved watching this tutorial on this smoky eye makeup look with a pop of color. Please do hit the like button if you like this video, and before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in my next. Bye.